AI bias. Here you go. Same structured format for AI bias. AI bias in artificial intelligence. AI beginner means advanced, responsible AI core concept. Introduction. Artificial intelligence systems learn from data. However, data is often influenced by human decisions, historical patterns, societal inequalities. Because of this, AI systems can inherit and even amplify bias. This is where AI bias becomes a critical concept. AI bias affects fairness, decision-making, trust in AI systems. What is AI bias? AI bias refers to systematic errors in AI systems that lead to unfair or prejudiced outcomes. In simple terms, AI bias equals unfair outcomes caused by biased data or algorithms. Example concept. Biased data means biased model means unfair decisions. Why AI bias is important? AI bias is important because AI systems are used in hiring, healthcare, finance, law enforcement. If bias is not addressed, biased AI means discrimination means real-world harm. Types of AI bias. 1. Data bias. Occurs when training data is not representative. Example. Dataset mostly contains one group means model ignores others. 2. Algorithmic bias. Occurs due to model design or assumptions. Example. Model prioritizes certain features means unfair outcomes. 3. Sampling bias. Occurs when data collection is skewed. Example. Survey from limited population means inaccurate results. 4. Measurement bias. Occurs due to incorrect data labels or measurements. Example. Incorrect labels means wrong predictions. 5. Historical bias. Reflects past societal inequalities. Example. Past hiring data means biased hiring AI. 6. Confirmation bias. Human influence. Developers unintentionally reinforce assumptions. Example. Designer expectations means biased model tuning. AI bias pipeline. Where bias can occur. 1. Data collection. Incomplete or skewed data. 2. Data processing. Incorrect labeling. 3. Model training. Biased learning patterns. 4. Evaluation. Biased metrics. 5. Deployment. Real-world amplification. How AI bias happens. Workflow. Data collection. Down-pointing arrow. Hidden bias in data. Down-pointing arrow. Model learns patterns. Down-pointing arrow. Biased predictions. Down-pointing arrow. Real-world impact. Example. Conceptual. Def hiring _I. Candidate. If candidate. Gender equals male. Return high score. Return low score. Print. Hiring _I. Gender. Female. Warning: this example shows how bias can be unintentionally built into systems. Real-world examples of AI bias. Hiring systems. Biased candidate selection. Facial recognition. Lower accuracy for certain groups. Loan approval. Unfair credit decisions. Healthcare. Unequal treatment recommendations. Criminal justice. Biased risk predictions. Impact of AI bias. Social impact. Discrimination. Inequality. Business impact. Loss of trust. Legal risks. Technical impact. Inaccurate models. Example concept. AI bias means unfair outcomes means loss of trust. Advantages of addressing AI bias. Addressing AI bias leads to fair decision-making, better model accuracy, increased trust, ethical AI systems. Challenges of AI bias. Challenges include hidden bias detection, lack of diverse data, complex model behavior, trade-off between fairness and accuracy, evolving societal definitions of fairness. AI bias versus fairness. AI bias. Presence of unfair patterns. Fairness. Goal to eliminate bias. Relationship. Reduce bias means improve fairness. Techniques to reduce AI bias. 1. Data improvement. Collect diverse datasets. 2. Bias detection. Analyze model outputs. 3. Fairness metrics. Measure fairness. 4. Algorithm adjustments. Modify training methods. 5. Human oversight. Review decisions. Best practices. Use diverse data. Represent all groups. Test regularly. Detect bias early. Monitor in production. Track real-world performance. Use explainable AI. Understand decisions. Involve diverse teams. Reduce blind spots. Future of AI bias. Future trends include fairness-aware AI models, better bias detection tools, regulatory frameworks, ethical AI standards, inclusive datasets. Example concept. Future AI means fair and unbiased systems. Concepts learned from AI bias. Understanding AI bias helps learners understand. Checkmark how data affects AI decisions. Checkmark how bias enters models. Checkmark how to build fair AI systems. Checkmark how to evaluate ethical risks. Checkmark how AI impacts society. Simple definition. AI bias. Unfair or prejudiced outcomes in AI systems caused by biased data, algorithms, or human decisions. Final summary. AI bias is one of the most critical challenges in artificial intelligence. It can lead to unfair decisions, discrimination, reduced trust. By identifying and reducing bias, we can build AI systems that are fair, accurate, trustworthy. Understanding AI bias is essential for developing responsible and ethical AI systems.